Today we are looking at the 2026 GMC SIERRA 1500 Denali Ultimate in Coastal Dune. This truck is powered by a 3.0-liter DURAMAX diesel engine, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful brown leather seats. These seats contain heating in the second row, as well as heating, ventilation, and massage function in the front row. The interior is finished in alpine umber and features many of premium features, such as ultimate banding and wood accents. Your leather-wrapped steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, a heated steering wheel option, lane assist, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for high beams, windshield wipers, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you'll find your controls for heads-up display, drive mode, headlights, and your parking brake. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Power seat controls can be found on the side of the driver and passenger seat. As we jump inside, we can take a look at the heads-up display, as well as in the center of the dash, your media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google Apps. Below, you'll find your climate control settings, as well as settings for heated and ventilated seats in the front row. The center column offers loads of room for storage of belongings, as well as trailer brake settings, whereas the center console offers more room for loads of belongings, 2 USB ports, a wireless charging pad, and a 120-volt charging port. Throughout the vehicle, you'll notice Bose speakers delivering crisp audio. Above, the SIERRA is equipped with microfiber suede headliner. As we take a look at this beautiful Coastal Dune exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these bright LED headlights. In front, we'll notice the dark chrome grille with the black GMC logo perched in the center. Below, you'll find a chrome front bumper and recovery hooks. The SIERRA sits on aluminum wheels. Above, you'll find chrome mirrors, windowsills, and door handles that, when opened, activate your automatic assist steps. As we head to the back, you'll notice additional assist steps on the rear bumper, allowing for ease of access into the cargo bed. With the touch of a button, we can lower the tailgate, showcasing the spacious cargo area equipped with spray-on bedliner, preventing you from dings and scratches. On the right-hand side, you'll find a 120-volt charging port, as well as LED lighting. This tailgate is also equipped with GMC MultiPro, which means it can be lowered and converted into a step. As we jump into the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with plenty of legroom, heated seat controls, 2 USB ports, cup holders in the back of the center console, as well as in-seat cup holders in the center seat. Behind these seats, you'll find a power rear window. You'll also find in-seat storage, as well as storage below the seats, as they are split in a 60-40 bench fashion. Look up and you'll notice the beautiful power sunroof allowing sunlight into the vehicle. And that is the 2026 GMC SIERRA 1500 Denali Ultimate in Coastal Dune, located at Wolfe, Calgary. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.